All right, good morning. I would like to welcome everyone back to the channel, the new subscribers, the continued supporters, and I'd like to thank everyone for wishing me a speedy recovery. So here I am. Anyway, today's project is what I had talked about previously. I am going to build another toolbar for the Super C because I am going to thin out the herd. And no, I don't mean get rid of my wife and kids, Farmer Dave, but that cost me more than a tractor. So anyway, all jokes aside, I've got a toolbar here, and this piece of square stock is too large for the clamps I've got. So it was a free toolbar, so what I'm going to do is cut all the mounting tabs off of it and this up here, and I have a new piece right here in the truck. I have a piece of 1.5 inches. So I got that, and I've got a little C-channel and some angle. We're going to build a ramp to get the Super C on and off the trailer until I can get the gooseneck trailer that I want. So that means working overtime and working here at the shop too. Just kidding about the overtime. I work here at the shop. So I do feel better. I am glad to be back outside, and hopefully I can get this done and go sit in the tree stand this afternoon. So keep your fingers crossed for me, and we're going to get the cars moved around, get the steel unloaded, and get everything ready to go. And once I get that done, then we'll come back and we'll get started. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in just a couple minutes. All right, I've got everything set up, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get everything cut for the ramp, because I need to get that done first so I can get the Super C loaded on the trailer and off the trailer, because I'm trying to get everything ready for JT West's plow day. So let's get going. Ear protection, and I do have glasses on. Okay, here we are back up at the other shop, and I've got everything cut. I've got my ends cleaned up. I'm going to tack this first one in, put a couple tacks on here and there, or actually one at the top, one on each side, so I can get this one just temporary in. Then I'm going to measure the piece that actually will attach to the trailer. I'm going to get that centered and then tack that on, and then I'll go back and lay all the pieces, space them out, lay those out in the middle like they're supposed to be, and then we will start welding everything in permanent. So hopefully I got enough of these spacers to lay in there so that the tire doesn't drop between them, but if it's too wide, I do have some 1-inch square tubing. I'll cut that and weld that in as a filler. So either way, we should be okay. All right, well, let's get this done. Because like I said earlier in the video, I still got to do the piece for the 3-point hitch, and I want to go sit in the tree stand and see what walks in. Hopefully something good to eat. So here we go. All right, I've got the ramp finished. Let's get the Super C on up there and give her a test. See how it's gonna work. All right, here we go. Well, looks like I got a UPS delivery, and I know it ain't tractor parts. It's probably for my girls. So anyway, let's get down here and take a look at it. There we go. I mean, it's got a little bit of flex in it, but that's okay. No longer than what it's going to be on there. And I got 2 holes drilled and stuff to put a couple of bolts in there and lock them in, so that'll work just fine. Well, that looks good. I got plenty of room on both sides, and we're good with that. So it's getting close to time to go over to the tree stand, so I'm going to end this project here, and then we'll pick up again and finish this video when I remake my toolbar, or make the toolbar for the Super C. So we're going to end this half of the video right here with the ramp. It looks good. I think it'll work just fine. So stay tuned, and we'll, after I get through hunting, we'll get back on the toolbar. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you again here after I get out of the tree stand. Have a good one.